Hi mamas, I'm Shen and welcome back to my channel at Mama Banana, and today I have a new segment for you. It is Mammy Must Have Mondays. So this is where I review products just for mamas and babas. So today I am going to be reviewing the Skip Hop Hip Bag. Okay, I'm going to go through all the features. I'll pack this up, has a little Mammy purse, and then I'm going to see if I can pack this up, has a diaper essentials bag, and then I'm going to do some on-body shots. So before we get straight into it, if you'd like to see more content like this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to this channel to help support if you haven't done so already. So now let's get straight into it. I'm just going to go through the features of the Skip Hop bag. Alright, so in the packaging it came with one long strap, so this is going to be your waist or your crossbody strap. Okay, so it's just a one long strap, and then you get a short strap that has a snap button open. Okay, so you can use this to attach onto your stroller or anything else that you want, so that's quite handy. And you can use this to attach onto other bags as well if you want to be able to clip them onto a stroller or anything else. That's great to have. Love this. And I will be showing you how this looks on the body as well. So right here I have a 12-inch ruler so you can see everything to scale. Okay, so there is a slip pocket on the front. So it is lined with a light coloured material, which is great, make things easy to find. I don't have my phone, but I took the case off. I'm using the phone to record this at the moment. So let's see, I only have an iPhone 5S, which is a small phone, and that does fit in there quite nicely. Okay, and now, I love the way that this zips all the way down. So I love that zips all the way down. It has gussets, that's a gusset here on the side to stop it from falling over. And inside we have another slip pocket and two elasticated pockets, which is brilliant. And then a credit card pocket in here. And it's nice wide base, so you can put a few bits in there. So let's see, that will fit my phone as well. Do you know, I would love it if there was another slip pocket in here. Okay, now I do find that slip pockets on the inside of a hip pouch are a bit harder to access, but you can never have too many pockets. Isn't that right? Let me know if you agree with me in the comments down below. Okay, I am going to test pack this with a couple of essentials and get back to you. Okay, so I have a couple of essentials here with me. I have, this is what I always bring with me. So this is not going to be a replacement as a little diaper bag or diaper clutch at all. It is just for a couple of Mammy essentials. So you still need to bring your diaper bag with you, unless if you're just running for errands. But what's great about this is that it leaves you hands free. Okay, I'm not going to tell you exactly what I'm putting in. It's just some feminine products I always have, tissues, quite boring, and obviously most important will be my phone, which I will put in the front slip pocket, and we'll pretend it's summer and try on a pair of sunglasses. We do not need sunglasses at all for the moment in Ireland. The weather is miserable and it's dark. I will do an on-body shot afterwards. Okay, now what I will do is I will actually pack this up with some diaper essentials just to show you how everything fits. Okay, but as a Mammy pouch, this is absolutely perfect, and the number one thing is that it does look stylish and it'll keep you hands free. So I have a size 3 Pampers nappy here, and then a thing of bum cream, and I have a wipe pouch. That's what I keep my wipes in, but you might just need to put in a very empty packet of wipes. Well, maybe this will fit in. I think it'd be better off putting in almost empty packet of wipes. Okay, it's not going to fit in a changing mat. I'd really struggle, but something else I do use as a changing mat is muslin cloths, because it's really just protection between the surface of a dirty changing table and my baby. So let's see. Yes, I can easily fit one nappy in here, and that's a size 3. Now let's see if I can fit a size 2 nappy. This is definitely not made for diapering, it's just Mammy Essentials, which is perfect. That's what it's marketed as. Okay, so that's 2 size 3 nappies, a little bum cream, and the white pouch. Because that's a mandatory, having a white pouch. You need to clean your baby's bum bum. Yes, you can fit 2 nappies in here and some wipes. And in the front slip pocket, I still have my phone, or empty phone case. And everything fits in here, quite snug. Again, no changing mat, okay? Just keep that in mind. But if you only need to nip out for an hour with the Berry Essentials, this will work too. So let's go straight to an on-body shot now. Just eating a little tea cake there. Okay, so here's the bag. It has a clutch. Nice and handy if you're going up to pay at the counter for a cup of coffee or anything. It's actually quite a handy feature if you do want to keep this in your diaper bag, because you can just quickly and grab it with the little strap here. Okay, so it just clips on with a little snap button. And then we are going to try it as a waist pouch. And here it is as a hip pouch. I absolutely love this. It is so cute. Suck in the pouch, suck in my belly, suck it in, suck it in. I'm always very paranoid when I am filming on body shots, but here is how it looks on. Let's see how handy it is to open. Smooth enough zipper and open. Now, pretending to take stuff out, this is very handy. I love that it has gussets so that you can open it nice and wide. So, let's unclip this and put it on its longest setting. I have seen some reviews where people say that even on its longest setting, it is not long enough to wear as a crossbody pouch. So I am just shy of 5'3". Let's see if this is long enough for, oh, this is very short. Okay, that's okay. Yeah, that sits up very high. The critiques for it as a crossbody bag is completely warranted, but what I will say, if you did buy this bag, you'll more than likely will want to wear it as a hip pack anyway. Now let's check out the pictures. Now I just want to check out, look at that. Okay, there is a lady there, that's a model, so obviously taller than me. She's wearing it as a crossbody bag, and look how low that hangs. That is not the strap that came with it. That cannot be the same strap that came with this. Okay, she definitely has a much longer strap, and there is no way that she is shorter than me as a model. So, lies, advertising lies. But I still love this bag. I do have other straps I can attach on myself to wear this longer, but I am happy enough to wear it as a hip pouch. Okay, so I'm just going to share some final thoughts on this, alright? I do love this bag. The price point was absolutely perfect. I think it worked out at about just €30. I will include product links in the description box down below. Okay, and it will be an affiliate link, so if you click on it, I will earn a small commission eventually. Okay, I have to hit a certain threshold, which I'm nowhere close. Anyway, this is a very functional bag, and it's very good quality for what it is. The packaging is very basic, but that is okay. I don't like excess packaging. I don't need anything extra to add to the landfill. I think that the bag is very stylish, and I love that the gussets on it, so that it opens up very wide. So I do think that this is very handy to use when you're a busy mom with busy hands. So this is the ideal solution. What I will how I would wear this is I will still be wearing my diaper backpack, but if I'm going out for a quick errand or anything where I don't think I'll be changing any nappies, I will use this. But if I'm going to be going out for quite a bit of a walk or something like that and I still need my diaper bag, I will be wearing this. It has a hip bag, so I'll have this and the diaper bag on me at the same time, and this will make it handy for me to grab all my Mammy essentials. So I would highly recommend this bag, and let me know what you think in the comments below, and if there's any other bags you would like me to review. I've seen the 12 little fanny pack, which I think is really cool as well. It seems from the reviews and some of the descriptions that you can actually use it as a diaper clutch. They can fit a bit more in it. I don't know. If you'd like me to review that, let me know in the comments below. So thank you very much for watching. So make sure to stop by every Monday for Mammy Must Have Mondays, where I will be reviewing products just for us and our babas. And then on Thursdays, I will be posting Thursday tips and tricks, where it's all about tips, tricks, hacks just for mamas. And I will be uploading a video shortly on hacks, tips and tricks on how to pack your diaper bag and how to change your baby when out. So I'm going to link these videos in around here, I'd say. So make sure to check those out, and I will also include them in the description box down below and the cards up above, everywhere, wherever I can. Alright, so thanks very much and goodbye.